I identify myself as an atheist, but I still forced myself to study Bible, and I found this amazing wisdom that helped me heal my relationship with my family members. Most people who claim to be religious, who claim to be Christian, don't even have good relationship with their family members. This is pure hypocrisy. You claim yourself to be a man of God, to have faith in God, but the people that are closest to you are not pleased with you, which means you're just LARPing as a person who is religious. You actually do not have the psychological tools that a religion is supposed to provide. You actually do not have the mindset that a religion should provide. Because if you had this psychological tool, you had this ability of mind, then you could maintain pleasant relationship with your family members. So in this video, you are going to learn how the knowledge of Bible is going to help you create good relationship with your family members, even though right now your relationship with them is absolutely terrible. Those who received him, those who believed in his name, these people were called children of God. This line is a fascinating line from Bible, because children of God basically means that these people have the spark of divinity within them. Meaning they can create a life that they want to experience. Because if they were truly God-like and God can create anything, then these children of God should be able to experience the life that they truly want to experience. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to become a child of God, so that you can create a life circumstance where your family members are treating you wonderfully well and your relationship with them have already been healed. So the first requirement for you to become a child of God is to receive him, is to believe in his name. The way to receive God, or the way to believe in God, is by believing in your imagination. Now this is a hot take, I know, but if you are able to imagine wonderful things happening to you, and you can believe in the reality of your imagination, then you have just believed in God. Now you have become a child of God, and now whatever you have imagined will get externalized into your physical world, because your imagination is Jesus Christ. If you simply provide all the sensory vividness to your imagination, the things that you can see, listen to, feel, and you experience the emotion of joy, victory, gratitude, satisfaction by imagining good things happening to you, then you have believed in the name of God. You have now become a child of God. Now it is a law that your imagination will get externalized into this physical three-dimensional world. And I experienced this 3 years ago when I was dealing with anxiety and panic attacks. I went into a meditation retreat, and they taught me this meditation called loving kindness meditation. This loving kindness meditation is derived from Buddhism, and I was taught in this meditation to visualize that I was face to face in front of a family representative. I had to visualize that they were crying, they were asking for my forgiveness, they were embracing me, and I myself was in tears. I was telling them I forgive you, and I was embracing them. I mentally rehearsed this imaginal act so much that my brain started to believe in the reality of it, and I started to feel the emotions of joy, satisfaction, and victory. The moment I start to feel this elevated heartfelt emotion, that is the moment when I know that I have believed in the reality of my imagination. That is the moment where I have become a child of God. Now my work is done. Now I can just chill, because whatever I have imagined will get externalized into this world. I just did this meditation for about a month, every day before falling asleep. I felt these elevated emotions by imagining that my family relationship has been resolved, And after a month, my relationship with my dad and my maternal aunt magically improved. Because that's what God does. He just creates things out of nothing. And because I was a child of God, I was able to just mold my life circumstances without saying anything. All of a sudden, these people started to treat me nice. Because I believed in Jesus Christ. I believed in my imagination. So if you want to work with me one-to-one, because you want to experience peace and happiness despite being raised in a dysfunctional family, or you want to heal your relationship with your family members, then text me on the link that is present in the pinned comment section down below. I will provide you a meditation ritual that you can do for 30 days. But I will only give it to you if you're the kind of person that is going to stick to this meditation ritual for at least a month. Or else you're going to do it someday, you're not going to do it someday, and you're going to think that this meditation does not work for me. Because if you're not consistent with meditation, your neural network is not going to change, your nervous system is not going to get accustomed to these elevated emotions, then your life circumstances won't change.